Hi guys, it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing you a summer look, and the colours I'm incorporating in the summer look are pink and yellow. I've really wanted to do a look with like a baby pink and a yellow mixed together, and I thought I would do something quite light, glowy, including colour. So this is perfect for the hot summer months that England is yet to see properly. We've had a few hot days, but now it's pretty windy and cold, which I'm not complaining. I love winter and autumn, so I don't mind. If you want to watch me create a baby pink yellow eye look with glowy skin, please continue watching and let's get started. So I've already primed and set my lids off camera just because it's easier for me. So now I'm going to go in with my Singles by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to go in with my pinkier shades. So I'm going to go first in with Tuscan Sun on a M513 brush into my crease. And I really do love Makeup Geek single eyeshadows. They're my kind of go-to when I'm traveling. I'll put them in the Z palette and just take them with me, and I know they won't do me wrong. I think I'm going to do one eye on camera and then the other one off camera. So I'm just building up this colour Tuscan Sun into my crease. Now I'm going to go with the E28 by Morphe, and I'm going to take Petal Pusher and also take this into the crease. This is more of a purple colour rather than a pink. I want this look to be quite light. So who else is excited for Lunar Beauty to drop on Beauty Bay? Because I for sure am. So now I'm going to go in with my Brights palette by NYX, and I'm going to go in with the light pink colour, which is this one here, into my crease as well, just so it adds a bit more pink. Yeah, perfect. You can really see the pink now. I'm going to go back in with that colour Tuscan Sun just to try and pink this out a little bit, because it's coming out quite purple. Now I'm going to go in with this colour on my LV just to darken it out a little bit. This has got a little bit of shimmer. It's already coming out darker than I had hoped, but that's fine. It is what it is. So now for my lid, I'm going to go in with the colour In the Spotlight by Makeup Geek, which looks like that. Then I'm just going to put this on with my finger. And I'm doing it quite messily. If you have like a pink glitter that you'd rather use, go for it. I don't want to go in with glitter. I want this to be quite soft and like effortless. So that's all I'm doing for my eye. So I'm just going to go off camera, do exactly the same to this eye as I have to this eye, and then come back and I will do the rest of my makeup with you. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done this eye off camera. I also did my brows, and I used a PS Iconic Brow Pomade with the PS Brow Mascara and the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. I've also added my strobing cream in Pearl, and then I also added the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlight in Liquid Champagne just on the top, so I'm well glowy. And obviously I added mascara. I used my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and now it's time for foundation. And the foundation I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair, which I think is a bit too fair for me, but it's fine, I'll still use it. So 2 pumps of this, and then blend it. So now I'm just going to add a tiny bit more just for my cheeks. Okay, so now I've done my foundation. I'm going to cream bronze with the Rimmel Insta Duo Stick. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with concealer. And my concealer is the usual Tarte Shape Tape. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to set my smile lines, my nose, my under eye. So now I'm just lightly setting the rest of my face. And I still got glow because I used so many glowy products beforehand that they're still coming through the foundation and the powder. This foundation is really good for like summer and glowier days because it's like medium to full coverage, and then it's really dewy and it lasts pretty long as well. So it's one of my old school favorites that I forgot to wear, to be honest. I've not worn it in a while. Well, I wore it yesterday, but I hadn't worn it for ages before that. So now I'm going to do my bronzer, highlight, you know, all that jazz. I'm going to go in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I really like this bronzer, and if you watch me, you probably know that already. This is probably one of my favourite bronzers of all time. The reason why I really like it is because it's so blendable. The colour's really nice. It's really like buildable. It's not like straight pigment. It is pigmented, but it's not overly pigmented. So that's the bronzer. So this look is much more pink than I wanted. I wanted like a really soft baby pink, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna bronze. I'm not gonna contour today, and obviously I'm gonna blush. So I'm gonna use my Morphe 9B palette, this one, and I'm gonna go in with this color here and put that onto my cheekbones. No, my cheeks, not my cheekbones. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of this one just because the blush is a little bit of a different shade of pink. So now that I went in too heavy with blush, I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit with a clean brush. Now for highlight, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Strobing Light Powder, which if you watch me, you know that I use this all the time. It's one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna put this on top of my brow, on my cheekbones, and then go in with a smaller brush for my Cupid's bow and my nose. And I'll go over it with a beauty blender just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So now it's time for my lower lash line. For the yellow, I'm going with my NYX Bright palette, and I'm literally just picking up the yellow and putting it down. Let's see if this works. So now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Art in the Streets palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to go in with this yellow, just to see if that shows up a little bit more. Because it's not showing up as much as I'd like. It is there, you can definitely see, but I'd prefer if it was a bit more vibrant. So now I'm going back in with the yellow from the NYX Brights palette. And I think that's alright. I like it. You can definitely see on camera now that I've got yellow on my lashes. So I'm just going to do my mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm not going to add too much, just because I want the focus to be on the yellow. So now I'm going to add this highlight in my inner corner. So now I'm actually thinking of taking this colour from Makeup Geek, and it's called Fortune Teller, and just putting this on my lower lashes as well. That will just give it a little pop. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a normal matte yellow. Okay, so now that I've done my eyes and most of my makeup is done, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Driver. And I'm not lining my lips. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. And this kind of tones down the colour of the brown in that Maybelline Super Stay. I used just a little bit of the Rimmel Kate lipstick in 42, just a little bit, just to make it a bit more pink than brown. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love how this look has come out, especially the eyes with the glossy skin, with the glossy lip. I really like it. It screams summer to me. Like even spring, it screams spring, summer to me, even though we're not having much of a summer here at the moment, but I'm not complaining. I don't mind. But I was a bit scared of how dark the pink was, especially when I actually thought of doing a baby pink, but I actually prefer the contrast of a dark pink with the yellow. I like the look on my brown eyes and such like glowy skin with a glossy nude lip. It's perfecto. I really like how the skin looks. The skin looks so like flawless, natural. Like you can still see some of my acne coming through, but it doesn't look cakey. It doesn't look like I'm wearing too much makeup. It just looks nice, dewy and glam, but natural. It's such a summer look for me. I think this is a look that I know that I will wear come the summer, especially if I want to be a little bit more glam and like I've got a party or barbecue and I can do something so colourful like this. I definitely think I will wear this look. My skin, I really like it. So I don't know, summer, glowy, natural, glam, pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm getting delusional because I filmed 2 videos. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I definitely have. If you have, please remember to give me a thumbs up and some comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.